Good evening, everybody. My husband and I, we have a company called Den Enterprises, and our goal is to transform our communities one family at a time. And Matt has been with us in the whole journey from the beginning. And so when we decided to do the wholesale mastermind, we were driving for dollars, and we found a property on one street. And when I called, it was corporately owned by a nonprofit. And so we called them, and they said, no, that property is not actually for sale because we use government funds, and so we can't sell it. However, we've got 9 houses on Lindley Avenue that we're looking to sell. But the thing is, it's all or nothing. You have to sell all 9. You have to buy all 9. And I was like, okay. And so we did the math, and so at first we thought we would just try to sell it as one big package because it is literally an entire street. But it is in a lower grade neighborhood, and so a lot of investors weren't willing to put that kind of money into that particular area. And so we called up our realtor partner. We said, look, we've got 9 houses we're trying to get rid of. Can you bring some investors? And we'll give you $1,000 per house, which was $184 more than what she would have made on a 6.5% commission based on the price of the house. So she was actually making more money helping us. And within a week, we literally had 4 days left on the contract. And we called them and asked for an extension. And they said, yes, we'll give you a 2-week extension. And she bought 6 investors, and including herself, she ended up buying 1. And she bought 5 other people to buy 1. And then we filmed it. And like my email just exploded. Like I had like 20 people were like, I want to buy a house. Do you have any more houses? I want to buy one. And it was the power of video, because like we videoed it, we took pictures and put it on Facebook. And, and so so we put it up on Facebook, we talked about it, and it wasn't us. Like my husband had taken some pictures, but one of the ladies has like 10,000 followers. And so once she shared the pictures and the video, it went viral. And so that's when our email box started filling. But long story short, we made $45,000 off the deal gross. After we paid the realtor her part, we net $39,000. And they had another property on a couple of blocks over, and we made another $5,000 off of that one. So that's what we did.